doing down there?
I'm just doing.
Oh, are you hiding?
Oh, he's playing.
Okay, okay. Here's a little girl and a boy. We need some new toys.
I need a new toy.
Thank you. Okay, here comes somebody else.
Devin, don't hide your face.
Come up here so I can see you, because I can't see very well.
Think some glasses.
Some new glasses. That's a great idea. Can you have some new glasses? Some new sunglasses, maybe?
If they have one,
Okay.
I will get it.
Okay,
If
you'll
they have
get it?
one.
Okay.
I will get it for you.
Thank you, Santa. Okay, here comes one more set. Oh,
What
here.
do you want?
That looks like she's holding a little baby. She needs a stroller for Christmas, doesn't she?
Is it so?
Oh, thank you. And this little boy wants to ask you a question,
What do
too.
you want?
Can I have a new video, a new DVD?
Is it Bill?
Thank you. Oh, and look, there's one. She's trying to put her. Oh, she's got a present. She got it in the mail. Is that from Santa? What did Santa get her?
What do you want for Christmas?
She says, I want a new, shiny bicycle.
Is it a bicycle?
Thank you. Does it fit in that box there?
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Good work. Oh, you're the best Santa ever, aren't you?
Yes.
Are you the best Santa ever?
Yes.
Yes, thank you.